Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today, I'm going to teach you how to crochet the waffle stitch. This stitch is really quite simple, but it creates such a beautiful, unique texture. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using comfy fingering weight yarn from We Crochet. I'm using the colorway Seafoam. This is a 75% Pima cotton, 25% acrylic yarn. I'm also using an F 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook. I'll link both in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. To start the waffle stitch, you're going to want to chain in a multiple of 3 plus 2. So for this tutorial, I am going to start with a chain of 20 chains. All right, I've completed my 20 chains. I am going to work in the back bump of my chains. I'm going to turn it around and work in these back bumps right here. I'm going to be doing 1 double crochet in the third chain from my hook and in each chain across for a total of 18 double crochet for row 1. All right, I've completed my first row. It's 18 double crochet across. Now we're ready to do row 2. So I am going to do a long chain, which is where I pull up a loop about the length of a double crochet and chain 1 and turn my work. And I'm going to work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. And that will be my first stitch of row 2. Next, I'm going to do 1 front post double crochet around the next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook behind the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I've completed 1 front post double crochet. Now we're going to get into our repeat, which is 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. And then 1 front post double crochet around the next one. So yarn over, insert hook behind the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to repeat that all the way across. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, 1 front post double crochet around the next. And you're going to do that till you get to the very last stitch, and then I'll show you what to do. All right, I'm at my last stitch. I'm just going to do 1 double crochet into that stitch to finish out my row. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to do row 3. We're going to do a long chain and turn our work. And we're going to do 1 double crochet in the first, 1 double crochet in the next, and then we're going to do 1 front post double crochet and another front post double crochet. And now we're ready for our repeat, which is going to be 1 double crochet, and then 1 front post double crochet around the next 2. 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet around the next 2. We'll repeat it all the way across. And then for our last 2, we're going to do 1 double crochet in each. So here's what your look like. This is going to be the wrong side of your work. So your even numbers are going to be your right side. So now for the next part, we're just going to repeat rows 2 and 3. So we're going to do a repeat of row 2. So we're going to long chain, turn. This is your right side. I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the first and 1 front post double crochet in the next. And then I'm going to start my repeat of 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, and then 1 front post double crochet. 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, and 1 front post double crochet. And so repeat that all the way across, and then remember your last stitch will be a double crochet stitch. All right, that is row 4, and as you can see, you're starting to get that waffle look with the front post and then the line across. So now we're going to do a repeat of row 3 for row 5. So long chain, turn, 1 double crochet in the first, 1 double crochet in the next, and then we're going to do 1 front post double crochet in each of the next 2. And then we'll start our repeat of 1 double crochet and then 2 front post double crochets, 1 around each of the next 2. 1 double crochet, 2 front post double crochet, all the way across with 2 double crochet at the end. All right, that's the end of row 5. This is what it looks like on the right side. So you will continue to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you get to the length that you want or the length you need for your pattern. And this is what it will look like. It's a really cozy texture. A lot of people use it for warm makes, for things that winter makes, the cats and cows and sweaters. But I chose to use it for a spring and summer make, and I feel like it is just as useful and just as good because it does have these front post stitches and leaves a nice, like, open, airy feel to it. But it also has such a unique texture, and I just think it's great for so many things. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.